Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Binance Futures Calculator. So that means I'll be showing you how to calculate your PNL, your target price, your liquidation price, and your open price. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, welcome. Here I do videos on how to make use of legit money making apps, websites, platforms that involves cryptocurrency, stock exchange, and forex market. So if you like content on topics like this, just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to be updated on my new video releases. So let's get started. Okay, if you're using your phone as I'm using here right now, so just click on Futures to locate the wallet or the calculator, sorry. So at the right hand side of your screen, you're going to see a plus symbol there. So just click on the plus, the math symbol. Let me just put it like that. Just please click on the math symbol here. So at the math symbol is going to bring you here. So this is the Binance Future Calculator platform or page. So I'll be explaining everything here one after the other. So try to watch the video to the end so that you're not going to miss an important point. So I will start by explaining the PNL, that is your profit and loss, your target price, your liquidation price, and then the max open. Okay, let's start by calculating the profit and loss of this contract here, ETH/USDT. So if you want to select any one that you want to calculate or the one you're trading currently, you can just click here and check it. So these are the contracts that you can calculate or you can trade with. Okay, right now I'll be using ETH/USDT perpetual contract for this video. So right now I'll be calculating the profit and the loss, that is the PNL of this contract. So the first step is to decide either you are going long or you are going short. That is either you are buying or you are selling. So since we are buying, that means we are going long. So the next step for you to take is your leverage. Your leverage, just select the leverage that you want. So me, I'm using 20x leverage. So you can choose any one that you want. Just select any one that you want. So I'm choosing 20x here. So right now the next step for you to check is your entry price. So your entry price here is the next step that you're going to take here. So impute the entry price that you want. Okay, I think I'll be using the current price. Let me just go and check the current price to know what is there. Okay, here is the Binance futures trading platform. So let's check the current price here is. Oh, let me remove this. Okay, so the current price here is 1854.68. Okay, so right now let's go back to our calculator to compute the price. So we said it was 1854.68. Then our exit price, since we are buying, that is, since we are longing, our exit price should be higher than the entry price. So let me impute something higher, so now we are going to make a lot of money. Okay, so right now let me impute this. Okay, then we talk about the quantity. How do we know the quantity? But first of all, let me change this to USDT because I'm using USDT here. Okay, so let me assume I have 100 USDT. So that 100 USDT multiplied by 20x leverage is going to give me my quantity. So 100 times 20 is going to give me 2000 USDT. I hope you understand what I mean here. Okay, now after you have imputed this and you're comfortable the way it is, okay, just click on calculate. Okay, so once we click on calculate, it's going to display the result here. You can see the initial margin, which is 99.97 USDT, which is approximately 100 USDT, the amount that we deposited. So the PNL, the one we just calculated, is 106.70. So the result is 106.70. That means our profit and loss is going to be 106.70 USDT. That is, if you make a profit, we are going with 106.70 USDT, and if we make a loss, you're going to lose 106.70 USDT. And then the ROE, which is 106%. So as you can see, it's a very simple process. Just enter your leverage, then enter your price, the entry price that you intend to enter, then your exit price, that is the price that you want to leave the market, then your quantity, that is the amount you have multiplied by your leverage, then boom, your result is out. Okay, now let's talk about the sell. What if we intend to sell? Don't worry, I'm going to show you that. just stay close with me. Let's do this. Alright guys, this is the sell page. Just like the buying, it's just the same thing. Okay, now just select your leverage, your entry price. Let me just input my entry price here. Okay, 50. Then next thing for me to do is just to input your exit price. Since we are shorting, that is, since we are selling, the price is going to be lower. So let me look for a lower price here. Let me look for something that is going to give me a big amount of money. Don't take this advice, sorry. Okay, next thing for you to do is to input the quantity. I'm inputting 2000, that is 100 times 20, that is 2000. So this is the result. Okay, so we have an initial margin of 99.93 USDT. You know why it's like that? It's approximately 100 USDT, the amount that we used. Okay, now our profit and loss when we go long, when we go short, or when we sell is going to be 100.61 USDT. Okay, so this is how you can calculate your profit and your loss using Binance Future Calculator. So let's talk about the target price. Okay, before I show you how to calculate your target price, let me explain what target price is. Target price is like your take profit. Let me assume that you already have in mind the particular percent of money that you intend to get, but you don't know the price to exit the market, or you don't know the price to take your profit. With the help of the Binance Future Calculator, you can easily do that. Just select your leverage, then the next thing for you to do is to enter your price here. So once you enter your price, okay, let me just choose a price right here. So when you enter your price, then the next thing for you to do again is to enter the percentage, the particular percentage that you have in mind. Let me say let me just pick 25%. Then you click on calculate. So once you click on calculate, as you can see here, you will have the target price. So this is the price that you can take your profit or exit the market. I hope you understand. So the next one is called the liquidation price. But before I show you how to calculate the liquidation price, let me explain what liquidation price is all about. So liquidation price can be seen as the price in which your money liquidates, or in which you loses all your funds or some of your funds when the market hits that price. So if you are trying to know the price in which you lose your funds or some of your funds in Binance Futures, then you are going to use this. So the first thing is to select your leverage, then you input your price. So my price is here. I will input my price. So the next step for you to do is to input your quantity, that is the amount that you have multiplied by your leverage. So I have 100 USDT, so I'll multiply it with 20 USDT, so it's 2000 right here. So the next thing again is to input your balance. So I have 100 USDT here, so I'll just input the 100 USDT. I hope you are understanding something. So the next thing again is to click on calculate, then you will see your result. So this is the price where your funds get liquidated. So I hope you understand how to use this to calculate your liquidation price. So right now let's talk about the next one, which is called the max open. But before I show you how the max open works, please, if you have not subscribed to my video, please do that for me. Okay, so let me explain what max open is. Max open can be seen as the maximum amount of money that you can use in the futures trading. You will understand more when I start showing you how to calculate the max open. Just stay and stick to the video. Okay, now let me assume that you want to trade, you want to calculate your max open. So the first thing for you to do is to decide if you are going to go long or to go short. Then you select your leverage. Okay, I'm using 20x leverage here. So the next thing for you to do is to enter your price. Okay, let me just pick a price here. 1866.25. Okay, now then you input your balance. The balance is the amount that you have, so I'm using $100 or USDT. So once you have entered your entry price, your balance, and you're okay with it, just click on calculate. So once you click on calculate, your results will be displayed here. So the 2000 USDT is the maximum open, that is the maximum amount of money when we are using 20x leverage with our 100 USDT. I hope you understand that. Okay, let me explain again. Let me assume you want to trade the futures wallet with your 100 USDT and you are using 20x leverage. You are going to get 2000
USDT to trade. That is your maximum open. So let me also use this one to explain better. Let me assume you are using 40x leverage. As you can see, you are going to have 4,000 open, maximum open of USDT. The same thing is applied when you are using 60 USDT. So you are going to see 60,000 USDT for your maximum open. So that means with your 100 USDT and you are using a 60x leverage, you are going to get a maximum of 60,000 USDT to trade in your Binance Futures account. So this is how you can calculate your max open using the Binance Futures calculator. I hope you understand. Okay, now let's short. Okay, let me just say let's sell. Okay, here it's just the same process. Just apply your leverage. But here I'll be using my 60x leverage. Then input your price. Okay, then input your balance. Let me just use 100 USDT. So once you input your balance, okay, then the next step for you to take is just to click on calculate. The same simple process. So we are having 60,000 USDT here. Okay, so let me just change something. You can also use your, let me just use 200 USDT. Let's see something that will change. Let's increase, let's upgrade. Okay, you're seeing 12,000 USDT. So right now you deposit 200 USDT and you intend to use 60x leverage. That means you are going to get a 12,000 max open. Remember that you're only depositing 200, while Binance features will give you 12,000 USDT. So that is all about max open. I hope you understand. So the last one is called an open price. This is a bonus tutorial. I'm not supposed to talk about this, but let me just finish everything that is here. So what is an open price? An open price can be seen as the total or the average price of all the positions that you have entered. So the first thing for you to do is to choose whether you are longing or you are shorting. That is either you are buying or you are selling. So let's start with buying. So just impute the prices here. So I'm going to impute different prices here. So let me say the first one I'm choosing 1988.88 or 55. Okay, then the next one is for you to add another price. Then the price is, okay, let me assume I entered another position at 1888.23. Okay, then let me just impute the quantity. Here in this quantity I entered using 200. Then here I am using, let me just say 500. Then the next thing for you to do is just to click on calculate. So this is the total price or the average price of the two positions that I opened. Another thing again that is important about the open price is that whenever you see that the price is higher here, that is when you are longing. That means you are in profit. But if it is lower than this price, that means that you are in loss. You can as well apply the same process if you want to sell, that is if you want to go short. That means after calculating the average price, let me assume it is 1916.89 here. So that means if it's higher than this price, that means you're in loss. But if it's lower than this price, that means that you are in profit. So this is how you can calculate your open price. I hope you understand. So this is the end of today's video. So I hope by now you can be able to calculate your profit and loss, your target price, your liquidation price, your max open, and your open price. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel so that you'll be updated on my new video releases. If you have any question, you can leave your question in the comment section and we'll do well to attend to it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.